Yo, this is Edo Unboxing Official. I just saw a video of a new TPOB hair trimmer whereby just cutting really light and it cuts really good. So we're gonna put that to test if maybe it's really true, if maybe it's really cuts really good. So stay tuned, man. All right. Yo, today we're gonna unbox this hair trimmer right here. Yeah, TPOB Go. It's a new hair trimmer from TPOB, and yeah, we're gonna put it to test and see if maybe it's really good or not. And this is the box right here, and a very small box. As you can see, it's written got a USB-C charging, which is good. Velocity grip for enhanced control, that we already know with the hair clipper, and 8,000 RPMs, 4 hours runtime. I guess the charging time, it's not written here. Okay, it's written something about the battery, whereby when it's green or blue or red, what it really means. So I'm not going to talk about that. Yeah, what else? So the back of this box looks like this, as you can see. Yo, so now let's open it up and see what they got for us inside. As usual, you got it like this, TPOB Go, and the manual, this one. Okay, this one is good. Got a little bit weight to it, which is good. And inside it charges with these 2 pins, which is good. And it's a USB-C, as you can see. Okay, now inside this small box, comes with I guess it's a US plug, I guess so. And if you want to zero gap your hair trimmer, and lastly, charging cable, which is good. So that's it. Nothing really special inside this box. So we're coming to the hair trimmer right here. So it comes with a gapped blade, and TPOB said we should not zero gap this blade. I mean, we should not gap this blade because it's already gapped from the factory. Okay, which is not bad, which is good. So here you can really see. Okay, and this blade, it's a little bit different from Cycle blade. Somehow the steel blade got a deep tooth one. Don't know if maybe you can see it good. Got a deep tooth, and still got this velocity, grip. Okay, and the thumb indent, still got it. Okay, and the logo TPOB Go, and the USB. It's not really that big. It's slim. Let's make a sound check. It's not bad. Okay, 8,000 RPMs. Yeah. So it's just 180 gram. Today we're gonna put it to test and see. I'm gonna try to shape up my beards and maybe my hair. Oh my god. Yeah, so let's try it out. All right. Oh my god. Shit, damn.